Hey, the first place we're going to visit today is the Kemp Channel Fishing Bridge. It's located just after mile marker 23 in the Florida Keys. There's usually people fishing here, and there's lots of good parking. We are leaving Summerland Key, and we'll be entering Cudjoe Key. Howdy. And today is a Saturday, so there should be no lack of people. Okay. Hello. How we doing today? Looks like fun. Hello. Hello. Okay. Now that we've passed the fishing people, we're gonna do a couple more fishing bridges, possibly a couple campgrounds, maybe a boat launch. A fish just jumped. That was kind of cool. I doubt it. I don't know what kind of fish it was. Okay, so that was bridge number 1. Here's the other parking. As you can see, it's quite miserable. There's an iguana, common sight down here. Okay, we'll see you at the next fishing bridge. That was Kemp Channel Fishing Bridge. We are now on Cudjoe Key, and the next bridge is a ways away. So, have a great day. Now here's enough to piss off the good humor man. My bike path is flooded from the king tide. Why can't they raise this up or put a culvert in? If you want to destroy your bike, ride through salt water, because that'll be the end of it. Time to turn around, hun.
I know.
Okay. We're not going to see the other fishing bridge, so we're going to find something else to go look at. Later. Viking US1, just what you want to do. Uh-oh, one more car. Come on, dude. There we go. Okay. Now we're in Cudjoe Key. We're just going to look around, I guess. Which way? That way?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Crashed that time.
You crashed down here?
Yeah.
Well, kinda. Not much to see down here. But there is a fish market, square grouper restaurant, underwater photography, open, it's actually pretty quiet over here for, there's Cudjoe sales. Low-key fisheries. And that's about it over here. There's low-income housing. Starting right there. think low-income housing down here started around 160,000 or so. Uh-oh. Coconut got squished. And you could actually go biking out there, but I'm not going to.
Fine.
Yeah.
You can have this one.
Okay. Okay.
Because I got another one.
Yeah.
This will clip on.
Very clippy. Okay.
You can clip it on